If you go into poor communities and you ask people, is there such thing as equal justice under law? People will laugh. Law provides equality and equal shot for anybody. That's the aspiration of the justice system. The reality is unfortunately very different. If you are charged with a crime in this country and you are too poor to afford a lawyer, the government has to provide you a lawyer. The question is, what's the content of that right? Is it a lawyer that has time? Is it a lawyer that's paid a fair wage? The problem is, most public defenders have caseloads that are much too high. You get what we call meet 'em and plead 'em lawyers. The only thing they have time to do is explain to you briefly, so listen, here's the plea offer from the government. I think you should take it. They don't have time to do anything else, and then you stand up and plead guilty. Nobody's ever stopping and taking the time to explain to you what's happening. It's really toxic to a society to have a substantial part of the population that feels like the system is so stacked against it, and also feels like the system is promising fairness and then never delivering on it. I think the long-term consequences of having a legal system that isn't equal is that people lose faith in the system. If you look at the history of our country, we could point to profound, manifest, deep-seated injustices. And there was a moment when people said, oh, that will never change. That's been true forever. But then people mobilize, right? People march, people get educated, people can make change happen. And I feel like that moment is now in our criminal justice system. We have an opportunity to change it.
Hi, click down there to like and subscribe. I do it myself, but I'm a rock.